Trying to lose weight but can't stop feeling hungry? What if I told you there are foods that actually fill you up, taste amazing, and still help you burn fat faster? In this video, we're counting down the top 10 low-calorie foods that keep you full for hours, so you can slim down without feeling deprived. Let's get started. Number 1. Avocado. We're starting strong with avocado, one of the most satisfying and nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Now yes, avocado contains some fat, but it's the good kind, monounsaturated fats that support heart health and help control hunger. Half an avocado has around 120 calories, yet it can keep you full for hours thanks to its healthy fats and fiber. It's rich in potassium, vitamin E, and antioxidants that nourish your body while helping you manage your appetite. Add a few slices to toast, salads, or smoothies. A little avocado goes a long way toward keeping you full and energized. At number 2, we've got chicken breast, the ultimate lean protein for weight loss. A 100-gram serving of grilled chicken breast has just 165 calories, but delivers an incredible 30 grams of protein. Protein takes longer to digest than carbs or fat, which means it keeps you feeling full much longer. It's also great for preserving lean muscle while you're losing fat, and that helps your metabolism stay strong. Season it with herbs, grill it, or toss it in your salads. It's clean, satisfying, and incredibly effective for weight control. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like this video. It really helps the channel grow and lets us bring you more health and nutrition tips every week. Now let's talk about a fun and surprisingly healthy snack, air-popped popcorn. When made without butter or oil, popcorn is one of the lowest calorie, highest volume snacks you can eat. You can enjoy 3 full cups for under 100 calories, and its fiber helps you feel full longer. It's perfect for late-night cravings or movie nights when you want something crunchy but guilt-free. Just skip the salt and try spices like paprika or cinnamon for flavor instead. Number 4 goes to apples. Simple, sweet, and incredibly satisfying. Each apple has around 80 calories, but it's packed with pectin, a fiber that expands in your stomach to reduce hunger. Eating an apple before a meal can actually help you eat fewer calories overall. They're portable, juicy, and help satisfy that sweet craving without added sugar, a perfect weight loss companion. At number 5, we have sweet potatoes, the carb you don't need to fear. They're loaded with fiber and slow-digesting carbohydrates that keep you full and energized for hours. A medium sweet potato has roughly 100 calories and provides beta-carotene, which supports skin and eye health. Roast them, bake them, or make sweet potato fries. They're comforting, filling, and 100% diet-friendly. Number 6 belongs to the greens, spinach, kale, and lettuce. These veggies are low in calories but high in volume, meaning you can eat a large portion without overeating calories. They're also packed with fiber, water, and nutrients that support digestion and help you feel satisfied. Having a big salad before your main meal is one of the easiest tricks to naturally eat less while still feeling full. Coming in at number 7 is the breakfast classic, oatmeal. It's rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that slows digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels. That means fewer hunger crashes and longer-lasting energy. A warm bowl of oats in the morning can help curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake throughout the day. Just skip the instant sugary ones. Go for plain oats and top them with cinnamon or fruit for flavor. Number 8 is all about berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. They're naturally sweet, bursting with antioxidants, and low in calories, just 40 to 60 per cup. The fiber and water in berries help you stay full and control sugar cravings. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. They make healthy eating feel like a treat. At number 9, we've got eggs, one of the most satisfying and nutrient-rich foods on Earth. Each egg contains about 70 calories, along with 6 grams of protein and essential vitamins like B12 and D. Eggs help regulate appetite hormones and keep you full for hours, especially when eaten for breakfast. Boil them, scramble them, or make an omelet with vegetables. They're simple, healthy, and perfect for any meal. And finally, number 10, broccoli, the classic low-calorie powerhouse. Just 1 cup has 30 calories, but it's loaded with fiber, water, and nutrients that support digestion and reduce bloating. It fills up your stomach without adding many calories, perfect for portion control. Steam it, roast it, or toss it in your stir-fries. Broccoli is the ultimate food for staying full and feeling light. And there you have it, 10 low-calorie foods that keep you full and satisfied while helping you lose weight the healthy way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to eat smarter. Tell us in the comments, which one of these foods do you eat the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and stay consistent.